Don't forget your keys. Don't forget means لا تنسى. Your keys means مفاتيحك. لا تنسى مفاتيحك. I arrived on time. I arrived means وصلت. On time means في الوقت المحدد. وصلت في الوقت المحدد. He is addicted to smoking. He is addicted means إنه مدمن. To smoking means على التدخين. إنه مدمن على التدخين. Let me do my work. Let me means دعني. Do my work means أقوم بعملي. دعني أقوم بعملي. The teacher is teaching his students. The teacher means المعلم is teaching his students. يدرس طلابه. المعلم يدرس طلابه. The child is laughing. The child means الطفل is laughing means يضحك. الطفل يضحك. My task is very difficult. My task means مهمتي is very difficult means صعبة جدا. مهمتي صعبة جدا. The discussion was productive. The discussion means النقاش. Was productive means كان مثمرا. النقاش كان مثمرا. Thanks for watching.